you doing here?
Just to take a friend. Not take long. Come now, bud.
You are going alligator? Rubber man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I gonna need a money machine to count that governor.
4, so I go on man. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
How that man?
Alligator,
What you want?
come to check your boss.
Can't check my boss. My boss and a batty man.
You always come to a little Batman argument, you know.
I move shaky man, but you come to check my boss. Why?
From today, you're going to change the name from Alligator. From today, your name Lizard.
Talk it talk. Sexy. Walk and wine. Heavy.
Wagwan, governor.
Just like you see it, you know, I can do pay to the bro God.
You know, no more of them bad grades you sell me the other day.
No, Mr. Last night, you know. But me have something bad. Alligator, bring out the tambourine ball for me, G.
Let me see it.
Yeah, man. Sample it too.
See how old my boss.
One more thing.
TJ,
What?
can I talk to you?
Can't wait. So I hit this my boss.
Yeah, man.
How much?
You know, so it's a rubber band though. But guess what? Can get a discount, you know. They give me a link with a cousin.
Alright, now see how old. I have you covered.
Are you ready now?
Not yet. Do me a favor now.
What?
I want you to go over this and give me Bridget a lap dance.
What did you just say?
You know I forgot funny my head. Just twerk for him 2 times, I'm gonna give me a discount.
Take me home.
What you say?
You know what? Give me my car keys.
It's not your car, it's a rental.
I'm the one who rented it, so technically it's mine.
So how am I gonna reach home?
Do I care?
Oh, you so ungrateful.
I'm grateful.
Yes. Come take the time and I show you around. This is how you repay me.
You said you were taking me to Mama.
Then I'm not gonna carry your cuz.
When? I'm your cousin. You should treat me with respect. I'll find my own way. I'm going to tell Auntie what you're up to.
I hope you get lost.
Curtis!
Morning, Mr. Bob.
Tell me that you come with the money to buy the bike now.
50 girl me have now, but I work on it same way.
50 grand. But it is for 250 grand, so you're not even brushed the surface of it yet, man. Hurry up, man. At this price, it's not going to stay for long, you know.
I will save it for Mr. Bob.
See,
Yeah, man.
I can't save a bike for you, boy.
Yeah, no. Next week, not fast.
Next week?
Yeah.
All right. Tell you what.
Yeah.
Tell you what I'm going to do. If you give me the 200 today, I can save it for you until next month.
Alright.
Yeah, me 200.
Give me a 2 minutes and come back.
2 minutes?
Yeah, man. So come back.
No, don't where you go find 200,000 from, but I will save it for you, though.
But I come for you, man.
Hurry up, man. Hurry up, hurry up. It's just true he's a good boy, you know.
No, man.
Yes, man. Aye. No, touch it up, man.
No, I love it, man.
Stop touch it up, man. Next thing you go left your corona pan it, you know.
I love it, man.
No, man, you're going left corona pan it, man. Go along, man. Hurry up, man. I said don't touch it.
Alright.
Walk with the hand sanitizer next time, man.
Alright.
Sure.
Curtis. Alligator. Clad Curtis. You there again?
Just like if I low profile, that's me.
Lower profile.
Yeah,
Come
fam.
like you pull a whole uniform. You know how long me I search you.
Think of that, bro, God. That job more right now, brother.
Job?
Yeah,
Make we go link the boss.
No job, man. Not job.
Alligator.
Mad dog.
Yeah.
Hello? Look, I don't care what you do, but you have to fire him. Listen, suspend him, relocate him. I don't care. It's costing me too much money. Everybody's playing ball. What do you think him do? Him think him special? Yeah. I'll call him up.
Bossy.
Sticks. Think you say you're a boy, them could have delivered the goods them for me. The boy stopped the fucking bike in a second. Stop the bike in a second gear and make the feds them hold on upon him.
My apology, man, bossy.
Apology now, I cut it, you know, that third time that since month, you know. That I come out of your salary, you know.
Son.
Yes, ma'am.
Son.
yes, mama.
Son. I'm proud of you, see?
Alright, mama. Yes, it's where you're going.
Don't ask me anything, I'm my own big man.
Alright, take care.
Alright, my son.
I'll come out of your salary. Who this?
No, sir, Curtis that though. The rider me I tell you about.
Rider? You think I say you couldn't find him?
I him find me.
So you still can ride?
One will find out in the boss.
You make the money rain like me.
Wow, don't I, you know.
All them want. For the year, ya, only for money, ya, girl. For the year, ya, man, I change them gear, ya, only for money, ya, girl. Man, I sip champagne, man, I play now, only for money, ya, girl. Man, I live life, when you feel like, only for money, ya, girl. And I feel it, dog, a real life, only for money, sneak and wine, Balenciaga. Diego like fog. Poverty over them from the north. Recognition on the next banana. Straight to the height at the level.
0.86 seconds.
I'm fast for real stick.
Yeah, man. So you say, boss.
For the year, yeah. Man, I change them gear, yeah. Only for money and girl. Man, I sip champagne pan a plate now. Only for money and girl. Man, I live life where you feel like. Only for money and girl. And no faking, dog a real life. Only for money and girl. For the year, yeah. Man, I change them
Give him the job.
Only for money and girl.
Give him an advance.
Yeah, man.
Make him fix up himself.
Yeah, old man, boss.
Only for money and girl. And no faking, dog a real life. Only for money and paper chaser. Only for money and girl.
Victoria!
Who is that?
It is I, Bob the Builder.
Victoria is not here.
What do you mean, Victor? Then is who that?
This is Lisa.
Lisa?
The maid.
Oh, Lisa Hyper?
No, man, she had to take the weekend off, so you know I'm feeling it.
Victoria, you think you can fool me, you know? I know that device there anywhere you hide it, I'm behind the door. You open the door, no man. I bring your groceries. You didn't see your...
Rest them out there, come for them later.
No man, rain and fall, me don't want you wait up.
Just go on, the man, and mind the dog, then bite you up.
No, dog, after you not have the dog.
Man, me have dog.
From when she...
Ow.
Wait, then Victoria, if it's you with the dog, you know, I am prepared to take a bite any day, you know.
You have disgusting, you old man.
Let me in, no man.
What?
Oh, about a cup of tea.
But where the plan for stay long?
Well, only if the tea is hot.
That's why we have to make it extra cool.
Lord, me put those.
What you want, man? You ain't about quarantine.
Well, I quarantine out.
Hurry up, man.
Yes, I come in.